This is Nokia G60, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can set Opera as your default browser app on this device. So the first way to do that is by launching the General Settings app. Then you gotta enter the dedicated apps category. In here, go for the default apps section at the general field. Then open browser app page and select Opera by tapping on it. The second way involves the launch of the Opera browser or the Opera app itself. So let me do just that. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar, then open the settings by tapping on this little cog icon over here. In here, scroll the way down for a little bit, then click on the default browser section. Next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. And that would effectively mean that you have successfully set Opera or made Opera your default browser app on this device already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.